Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a slime character. So grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw a big lumpy shape. You don't really have to be perfect with this one. We're just going to kind of make it up as we go. So we'll do some lumps there. Come down here, some lumps, and then we're going to draw a straight line for the base of our character. Then we're going to come back to the top and do the other side. Some lumps, like that. Perfect. Now, our character is slimy and wet, so we want to make it look like there's some slime on the ground. We're going to draw a puddle like this around our character, and then a few lines to make it look like there's some liquid, like that. Perfect. Next, we're going to give our character some grumpy eyes, because he's a monster. We'll do a straight line and then two rounded lines underneath, two curved lines, and some pupils looking up. Next, a big grumpy mouth, like that, and a straight line to close it off. Let's give him some grumpy teeth, a tongue, a few lines pulling down on that mouth, a few chin lines, and now I think our monster needs some arms. We'll do a line there, a line right there, and then some jagged lines for fingers. There's one there, and on this side we'll do another arm. Jagged lines and then back down. Perfect. And there's our monster's arms. Now, let's give him some drippy slime. All over, dripping down. A few more details. Like that. I think we need to add a few hairs up top. And there we have a slime monster. Yeah! You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!